first time I'm importing iPhones from China. I've been importing a lot of things, but this is the first time I'm importing phones. So let's unbox. This is for a customer. She ordered an iPhone 14 Pro 256 gigabytes. Yes, and it's not boxed. You can see it's not boxed, and it even feels like there's nothing inside because it is well padded. So let's unbox it. If you have not followed me on YouTube, please follow me on YouTube. I will definitely try to drop free tutorials on how to import your own phones from China, and this is not paid, right? All you have to do is just subscribe and watch my channels, because I know that a lot of videos on here, there's rarely any video of people importing teaching how to import iPhones from China. Is either you use a supplier. I did not use a supplier for this. I used Pinduoduo, and the supplier I used, he was really attentive to what I wanted. At a point, they did not even have the color my client paid for. I had to tell him to get me the color, because they said they only had gold, right? But finally they said that we had white, because this is white. So let's just see if it is what we ordered versus what we got, or what we got. It is well boxed. Now I was supposed to send this directly to the client, but I will have to see it for myself before I send it to the client, so that I can chat up the supplier if it is of good condition or not, right? So that is why I sent it to myself first. I just pray it is what I ordered that I got here. Okay, I can see the phone. It is well wrapped. Oh my god, guys, I can see the bone. See, it's white. Yes, this is the phone, guys. They even put a casing and this stuff on it. It is so fine. So let us on it to see how. This is fine, bro. This is so fine. What? Damn it. Oh, okay, let's look at it. Look at it, it's on now. So I don't know how to change the language. Let me see if I can change the language. So I successfully managed to turn it to English. The battery percent is 66 now. And look at everything is written in English. And this phone is so fine, like it's so solid. Bro, it's now like as if I should change my phone now. No, this phone is so fine, guys. Like it's really fine. If you want to know how to import iPhones from China, just subscribe to my channel, okay? I'll give out a free tutorial. Okay? Yeah, so you can get this and many more, right? Even I have another client that wants to get a 15 Pro from China, and she wants a new out of the box one, right? Let's see this stuff too, because so let's see the SIM place, because some people say that China does dual SIM. Look at, China does one SIM. Look at one SIM. It is one SIM and eSIM, right? Yes. So the thing has little scratch around this side, but it is not obvious at all. Like, you know that yes, somebody used this phone for like some few months before they sold it out. Yes, and it is how much? I think this is 256 gig for 630,000 naira. 630,000, and it was more expensive because of the color she chose, right? Depending the color you choose, it will be a bit expensive. Yes, so white was the most expensive color, and she said she wanted white. Like, she just said she wanted white, and I told the guy that, are you sure? And some of these suppliers, you ask them, do they change battery? Because this one now, the battery is the battery that came with it. Some of them, they change the battery and the screen, right? So you ask them, is the battery solid? Does the battery come with the phone? They will tell you yes or no, right? They will not lie to you. So yes, you can get this and many more from China. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye. So this is your phone. Oh, hey, you wanted to kill me. I was disturbing those the shipping company. I beg, my client is disturbing me. Okay, your phone, I'm going to turn it off now so that you come and pick it, and I'm going to wrap it back inside everything. Or should I just put it here as you're coming to pick it up? Let me know. So a client of mine just got this 14 Pro from China. It's not boxed, right? It is not boxed, but this is a 14 Pro 256 gig. Look at it. I just changed the language. And you guys that are saying that China comes with a 2 SIM. I don't want 2 SIM. Let me show you the SIM. Let me show you the SIM, please. Let me show you the SIM, please. So that we'll judge together if it is 2 SIM or if it's 1 SIM. Right? Look at, what is this? So yes, the phone came as a complete set. This is not a brand new phone. This is a second-hand phone. Yes, China sells quality second-hand. It's not like they will tell you UK use and they will give you Nigerian use. They know they do that one for China. They will tell you what they are giving you. They will tell you what they are giving you. And this phone is very, very solid, right? It's very solid. So yeah, buy your phone from China. Yeah, and it was a bit more expensive because of she wanted white. This is white. Yes, and she got white. Even the supplier told me that he did not have white at the moment. I said, look for white for me. Now, white my customer want, I beg. So he helped me look for white. Like, I'm so happy. Seeing this phone is even making me happy, like it is my own. And they gave me a free pouch, like a free pouch. And look at, like, the phone just got to me now. Now. Yes. So I'm going to send it to my customer now. She just sent me a message now. Oh my God, I'm so happy I saw it.